What percent of one day equals to 72 minutes? Now check this. One day and minutes. You have to make them equal first. In a day, what is easier? Convert minutes to days or days to minutes. If you convert minutes to days, it will be in point something. So convert days to minutes. That's easier. One day equals to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So one day equals to how many minutes? 24 into 60. These many minutes. Now you got, instead of day, you got these minutes, and the other quantity is also minutes. So you can compare now. So percentage we require. Required percentage equals to 72 upon this day. But instead of day, you will write now 24 into 60 into 100. Why into 100? Because you want percent. So divide this and you will get 0 0 gone. 6 ones are 6 12s are. And this 12 ones are 12 twos are. So 1 upon 2 into 10. So it becomes 5.